Hello everybody, it's Christopher. I figure it was time I did another video. It's been a while since I've done a video, so I just want to show you a little bit of what I'm working on tonight. I can't really do much per se on the layout itself, since I am limited on the mobility. But I've been working on the gas station today, this afternoon, and just wanted to show you how it was coming along. So this is basically the parking lot footprint. This is where the gas pumps are going to be, and obviously right here where that tape is where the actual building is, which is, I'll put it right here, which is going to go something like this. So yeah, I figured when I was in rehab for all that time, I was going to build kits while I was in there. Well, it soon came to the realization that I wasn't able to obviously use spray paints in the rehab area. Even if I went outside, they wouldn't let me use, paint to paint things down and whatnot. So I soon abandoned building kits because I realized that it was going to be a bitch to have to paint things after it was built. So, case in point, after this part was built in the rehab facility, I'm going to have to go back, and I've been taping up windows and in order to paint the building itself. Another thing that I realized, because there was did not have good lighting in those rooms. I tried to compensate by getting a lighted magnifying glass of sorts, but still, I realized that I couldn't really see what I was doing, and I had to completely take out the glass right here because it was not on right and it was crooked. Even on here, but it, at least over here, it's at a minimal, and you probably won't see it unless you really know you have to look for it. So, so what I'm going to be doing now is tonight is to is to paint the building. Tomorrow I'm going to go to my local gas station, and I'm going to be taking pictures of the outside. I'm going to get pictures of cases of soda and beer through the windows and whatever. Don't worry, I'll have permission. I know the owner, so I don't see why he wouldn't let me. Don't worry, I'm going to ask first. Get in all the advertisements and everything that needs to go up before I continue putting more of the building itself together. Also, I have that building, which before I go to bed tonight, I'll put the brace up under it, because a flaw in the kit was the fact that there's no bracing in the middle, and so it sinks. And I'm going to go ahead and get the walls painted the color that I want to use, which is, let me get it. I got this color right here. It's yellow, but it's not quite bright yellow. What is it called? I can't read that. There we go. Oh, summer squash. So yeah, I'm going to paint the one building to the chemical distributor / plant. Summer squash. Well, it's either going to be summer squash or it's going to be this color, almond. I'm not sure yet. I don't know, I might try to blend the two of them. I don't know how that's going to work, but anyway. So, yeah. So, slowly but slowly, I'll be able to get some stuff built. Like I said, I can't actually work on the layout itself because of my mobility issues currently. I mean, I can get around, but I shouldn't get around, is how I would like to explain it. But I'm getting there. The wounds are almost healed on my feet. So, anyway, okay, well, I figured I'd give you an update. I might even, before I go to bed, start painting parking lot lines for parking spaces as well, as long as this paint is dried enough. Well, I'll see. Anyway, alright, that's it for now. I'll do more videos as I make progress. Happy model railroading. Yeah, let me say that again. Take 2. Happy model railroading. Peace out.